hopefully you had a chance to try these out and see how you did. So let's do them together and you can check your answers. I'm going to again use same, change, change. So I keep the first sign the same and I'm going to change the next two. So both minuses or negatives become a plus, and you might be discovering that a minus sign and a negative sign are the same thing. They have the same function. So now I'm adding a negative and a positive. So my rule for adding different signs is to find the difference. 5 minus 2 is 3, and my larger number takes the sign. 5 is larger than 2, and it's negative, so my answer is negative. Let's check out 6 minus negative 1. Since I'm subtracting, I'm always going to use, when I'm subtracting integers, same, change, change. So I keep 6 the same. I change the next two signs. The minuses become pluses. And this is 6 plus 1, which is easy. Two positives. I add the numbers, keep the sign. When I'm subtracting negative 3 minus negative 4, I'm going to do same, change, change. So negative 3 stays the same. Minus becomes a plus. Negative 4 becomes positive 4. Now I'm adding two numbers with different signs, so I find the difference. 4 minus 3 is 1, and my larger number takes the sign. 4 is bigger than 3, and it's positive, so my answer is positive. And finally, negative 2 minus negative 5. I'm going to do same, change, change because I'm subtracting negative numbers. So I keep negative 2 the same, and I change the next two signs. Now I'm adding two numbers with different signs, so I find the difference. The difference between 5 and 2 is 3. My larger number is 5, and it's positive, so my answer is positive. All right, great work. Last part of your notes, and then you can dive into your homework. We're looking for which expressions are equivalent to 4 plus negative 9. So we're trying to think if there are any other ways to say this. So I think of it like this. I have two terms in this expression, right? I have a positive 4 and I have a negative 9. So I could put positive 4 first and negative 9 second, and that would look like 4 minus 9. Or I could put my negative 9 first and my positive 4 second, and that would look like negative 9 plus 4. So let's double check our third example here, and since we're subtracting, let's use same, change, change. So I'm going to keep negative 9 the same, and I'm going to change this minus to a plus and this negative to a positive. So now I have negative 9 plus 4, which is the same as this. So all three of these expressions would be equivalent to 4 plus negative 9. All right, you guys are ready to rock out your digits homework, digits 4.4. Let me know if you have any questions. You're going to do great.